This is one parking slot available. And here you can see it's Mess Stuttgart. And then turn right here. This way. Then there. Sorry, that building is the UNITI EXPO exhibition hall. This one. Because this area doesn't have the parking area, so if by walking you can walk or make the taxi park here, stop here, then you can walk into the exhibition directly from here. And here, this is the UNITI EXPO here. And then we will enter the front gate where you should make your register. UNITI EXPO. The front desk, and the register should be here. Register area here. And if you need any help, information desk. And then this way, hall number 1. From here, directly from there to there. This is hall 1. Then go direct to upstairs. You will go to hall number 3. See, this way to number 3 hall. It's where CBK is. Here is the staircase. We shall go up to hall 3. And on your right hand, there are gates like this one. Then you enter directly. Now you are in hall 3. And then we're still working here. Then in this whole area, this is the hall 3, and here go front directly. You will see CBK. Just give me one more second.